Namaste all, this is Shekhar. Welcome to my channel. Keep learning, keep practicing. Friends, do you want to speak English language fluently? Do you want to teach your subject in English? Do you want to give presentation in English? Whatever it may be. If yes, please watch my video till the end. So before going to learn what to do and how to do to speak English language fluently, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for instant notifications when I upload a new video. And please press the thumbnail if you like my video. So friends, I don't want to waste your time. I'm coming to the point directly. So in every language there are 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. The first 2 skills are enough to speak any language fluently. There is no need of the other 2 skills, reading and writing. You know that in our childhood days, we could speak our mother tongue very fluently with the help of the first 2 skills, listening and speaking. We didn't learn reading and writing before speaking our mother tongue. Similarly, we can speak English language fluently with the help of the first 2 skills, listening and speaking. Please remember this, if there is a scope for listening and speaking in our area, in our locality. Is there a scope for listening and speaking in our locality? No, there is no such kind of atmosphere in our area. Then what to do? Nobody speaks English language at our home, at our workplace, anywhere else. Then what to do? In my opinion, we have to depend on the other 2 skills, reading and writing. Initially, in the very beginning, we have to learn a little bit grammar, structures and situational vocabulary. So while doing this, while having this practice of grammar, structures and vocabulary, we have to make sentences, we have to frame sentences and make a note of them in your notebook. So we should read the sentences, what we have written, we should recite the sentences, what we made every day, regularly with dedication, with a lot of practice. If you do so, in course of time, you will be confident. Please remember that the sentence should be internalized. In that way, you have to prepare. The sentences should be internalized in your brain. Sentences should come out from your mouth very fluently when it requires. Please remember that. In that way, your practice should be. Now you can go for the other 2 skills. The first 2 skills, listening and speaking. For listening practice, there are so many sources. For example, you take YouTube, there are number of videos being uploaded every day. There are number of good English speakers you can find in YouTube. You can listen to them. So while listening, please remember that while listening, you have to observe how they are speaking, how they are expressing their ideas in English language. If you find anything new structure, anything new vocabulary, please make a note of them and practice it. So while doing so, you can go for speaking practice. This is the most important skill. Again, for speaking practice, we have good resources. For example, you take WhatsApp. Generally, we send messages in text form. So make a difference. Don't text, just send the messages in audio or in video. Make an audio or make a video and send them to your friends. In the same way, you can make a YouTube video. What am I doing now? I am making my video. This is my first video. This is also one of the good practices for speaking skill, for speaking practice. For example, you are a teacher. Your classroom itself is the greatest platform for your speaking practice, no doubt at all. The students don't go for the judgment on your English language skill. Suppose you are a student of a class, suppose you are a student of a school, you can speak in English whenever you get opportunity. Suppose you're a student of a college, you can participate in seminars, you can express your ideas in English language. Friends, please remember one thing. If you speak, you can speak. There is no other short way to speak English language. To speak any language, only the way to speak English is speaking itself. First, suppose you have got some knowledge on grammar, structures and situational vocabulary. That means you have got as much knowledge as you require to speak English language. So then why to hesitate to speak in English? Come on, start speaking. Please remember one thing. Walking comes with walking. Running comes with running. Playing comes with playing. Riding comes with riding. Swimming comes with swimming. In the same way, speaking comes with speaking. If you speak, if you start speaking, then you can speak. There is no doubt at all. Friends, this is how I am learning English language. Now I am making this video. This is also one of the practices. I already told that. Friends, following this video, I am going to make some more videos, keeping in view the very beginners and the advanced level learners. Keep watching my videos. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Thank you. Bye bye.